Drafting worldwide, wide. Welcome back to Revit Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you just how awesome the Align tool is. So I got a couple different examples here, real basic examples, some generic walls. This one right here kind of jumps out at me because a lot of times walls just don't snap to where you want them to snap to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Align tool. The easiest way to get the Align tool is to actually click on an object. So this is what we call a contextual menu. So I click on the object and you can see that all these modify tools show up. This one right here is my Align tool. I can click on Align, and what it wants to know is please select a line or point of reference for alignment. So it wants to know, what do you want to align to? I want to align this wall to this one. So I'm going to select that wall first, and then I'm going to choose the outside face of that wall. And if I want to, I can lock those in place. That way, if I end up changing this wall to something like 12 feet, it's going to move this wall with it. I'm going to go ahead and move that back, and I'm getting some problems because this thing right here, so I'll just go ahead and put that back at my, I'll just bump this out to 12, something like that. Okay, the next instance is right here. Now this one, this kind of looks like this is in line with that, but I really don't think it is. And I don't want this wall. This is going to be one great big open floor plan, and I want those to be aligned. So I can very easily click on the Align tool, select the object that I want to align to, and then select this one. And again, I could lock it or leave it unlocked. Do this one as another example. Select the object, hit the Align. I'm going to align that, pull that up there, and now I have all those objects aligned.